isa as Williams gets it to Kelly. Back to Mikey. The two Williams with a two-man game. Mikey sends it home.
Layup, nakita mo yung 1-2 step and then lilipad. Boom, pwede mong habulin. Pero yung jump shot, mahirap eh.
Jason, tukubuntin, nakita si Mikey. Pangalawang tres na yan ni Williams. And ng tulong pinansyal para sa mga kapatid natin na nandiyan dyan sa Visayas at Mindanao para matuloy pa rin ang Pasko. Maligayang bayanihan, Pilipino.
My good.
Jolly.
Oo. Mikey will.
That's a filthy crossover. Lalim ng pinagdukutan, no?
Eto na, yung hinahanap natin na parang prematurely.
Nice bounce to Fuller. Aaron. Williams contra Jackson. Bibigay kay Kelly. Kelly had to adjust a minute.
Knows how to position himself sa may bandang ilalim. 14 puntos ang import ng rain or shine at si Henry Walker.
Castro has an opening. Jason delivers the it out. Jason back to Mikey. Nilusutan si Santi.
Oh my goodness. How do you guard that, my friends? Like,
It's the way of Mikey.
what a break. TNT always has nice ball movement. Beautiful.
It's TNT on the push. Alejandro to Era.
Ganda.
Touching it over to Ryan.
Oh, beautiful.
Round. Nakita si Mikey. Shot clock at 8. Eram has an opening. And JP makes him pay. Mikey around. 3 to shoot. Mikey bumps
Oh
into
my
Belga.
goodness.
Walang problema.
Oh my goodness.
He just bounced off, Bo.
Dahil talagang kinayod niya ng mabuti. Ito yung tira ni Mikey Williams na napakahirap. Nakatagilid, hinarap, pasok pa rin.
It
Tira ni
takes a
Mikey
special.
Williams.
At this juncture, ibinalik ni Coach Chot si Aaron Fuller ang kanyang import. Mikey! Right on cue!
Sobra naman yon.
Sabi mo raw, magaling.
Parang